Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you where you can edit and customize the tab stops for your drawings on LibreOffice Draw. So let us dive into this. Alright guys, so let me head over to LibreOffice Draw and also access the options. You may do that through clicking or by clicking into tools here and by clicking into options. And here guys, expand the LibreOffice Draw options, navigate to general. And here just below unit of measurements, you will see the tab stops displayed in the selected unit of measurement. So let me switch to inches and then customize the tab stops here. So for example, 0.4 or I don't know, of the tab stops of 2 inches, for example. So you may enter the value here or use these up and down buttons here to the right. Click into apply. And now you see the tab stops here in inches. Click into OK, and that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got somebody from it, and we'll catch you later.